Hi, my name is Shasta and I'm going to do a quick review on the Pinky Paradise contact lenses. I just got my package and I ordered them in mid-May and I got them mid-July, so that's 2 months. And especially, that's not too bad considering that coronavirus has been slowing down packages. Pinky Paradise is based in South Korea and they specialize in cosplay contact lenses, so they have a variety of great lenses for any type of anime character that you want to cosplay as, and a bunch of others like Marvel characters too. Oh, they have these cute cases. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, all these are super cute. One of the things that is different about this company is that they kind of do things the right way, where when you purchase contacts in the United States, you have to upload your prescription because it's illegal to sell contacts without being given the prescription. So even though they're based in South Korea, they have the same policy, and that's one of the things that you should have with you when you're thinking about purchasing from Pinky Paradise. They have a great array. I bought 3 contacts from them. Oh, that's cute. They use DHL, which is great because whatever TDDI is using is a little slower. So I purchased contacts from TDDI, and they had some issues with my order, and it took them 3 months. Hi, Justin. How? Are you guys going now?
No, not yet. We're going to leave it in a little bit. But just want to make sure you're ready. Good?
Okay. Oh no, I bought 4 contacts. Okay, so let's see. What is this first one? Usually what I do is I soak it in a contact solution that I normally use, because if I put in contacts in my eye right out of the package, it usually feels like I got shampoo in my eyes. So I'm super sensitive, but for today I'm just going to rinse them out and hopefully they'll turn out great. Okay, now I gotta unravel this. So they come in these vials. I'm not sure how to open them. The diameter is 14.8, the base curve is 8.9. So one of the things that I just learned, since I'm not a cosplayer, I wasn't really aware of this, is that if you pay attention to the diameter of your contact lenses, it can actually enlarge your iris, or give the appearance of it. And so I was like, oh yeah, that's pretty cute, because a lot of the contacts that I would buy prior to this were 14 mm, and I came across one that I didn't realize was a little bigger than 14 mm, and it looked pretty decent. So I don't know how to open this. Okay. Wow. So these are the Geo Meaning Princess, I think. Definitely a cosplay sort of contacts. What do you think? finished trying on these contacts a couple days ago, so now I'm gonna go ahead and try on the next two. And so these are the EOS Ice Blue, and they come in prescription. And so earlier I was having trouble opening up the contacts case, and because I wanted to be careful, so the bottle, I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like this, and there's my prescription. And so I'm going to show you how to open up the contact lens container. So basically, I was trying to be gentle because it's a little like stuck, like the top plastic lid is hard to take off, but you just have to like, it's okay, no matter what you do, it's gonna be fine. So I thought I broke it because initially when I opened it or like tried to peel it off, it looked like this, and I'm like, that can't be right. I've never seen a contact lens container look like that. But so you just like rip it off, like, and it helps remove the rest of the seal. And even if you break it, it's fine. Like, you don't need it to stay connected, you know. So you just gotta like peel that off, and when you peel that off, the other seal can come off. This white part of the seal is a little more rubbery, and then you can tell that it's really protected, very hygienic, and you just dump this into your hand, and I like to rinse it out with my own solution, and I'm going to try these on for you. Hi there. Okay, so I have the EOS Ice Blue lens in this eye, and I can't get over how comfortable it is putting it in, because usually it feels like if I get new contact lenses from some overseas company, either in Brazil or China, there is a stinging sensation, like I got a little bit of shampoo in my eye, and so I usually try to soak it in my own solution to make it more comfortable. And I just put these in immediately after I opened the container, and they're very comfortable. Like, I have really sensitive eyes, and I'm so happy about that. I don't know, they're slightly enlarging. You can still see the brown of my eye. They're 14.8 millimeters. So if you want to have a more natural looking iris, maybe go for 14.2 to 14.5 in millimeters, but I don't care. I like the enlarging effect. These are cool. You can see the brown though. It's slightly bigger. It's like a true blue. I'm gonna go ahead and try on the other one. So these are the EOS Ice Blue contacts together. Let's see. They're pretty cute. I think if I got the green ones, they'd fit my eyes better, because I have like medium brown eyes, and there are a lot of people who have green eyes, like hazel, where it's green on the outside and brown on the inside, so it seemed a little more natural, but I think they're cute. Now I'm trying on the super green, which is 15 millimeters big, so it's enlarging, and I love these out of all the ones that I've tried so far. And initially when I first opened them from the package, it said pinky green, so I was confused because there's another contact lens that I was considering buying, and I almost did, and I wasn't sure if there was a mistake or not. And I emailed the customer service and they said not to worry, that the pinky green contacts are the super green and the other pinky, I forgot what it's called, cloudy pinky, something like that, is a different brand or is a different contacts, and I got the right one. So I'm like, okay, great. And I opened them and I love them. They're enlarging, so they're not the most natural looking, but I think they're still super cute. So let's see. Well, they're kind of natural looking, but not like the most, because if you can see the difference in diameter between my natural eye and the one with the contact, I think you can tell. But I love it. I love this color. Yeah, it's cute. I'm gonna go pop in the other one right now.
I know. 13 years. Yo, TikTok is like.
Justin, I'm filming. Wait, Mom. I'm
She's actually filming. Mom, Shaston's filming.
Okay,
You gotta respect your film time, Mom.
Okay, what do you guys think? What do you think about these contacts? Justin.
Girl, you don't have any contacts. I got contacts.
Oh my god. Come on. Come closer, come closer. Try to take a look.
You look like Annabelle.
You need to come closer.
You look
Okay.
like Annabelle. You look like you're out of a scary movie.
So it's more creepy than pretty.
You know, everything's subjective.
I don't care. You know what? Get off my video. I think they're very gorgeous, and they're 15 millimeters, so they are enlarging, and they're very comfortable. And yeah, these are my favorites. So if you go on pinkyparadise.com and you actually, I have a link below. Please use it, and check out these super green contacts. This is what they look like. I think they're super adorable. Cute. I think there are probably anime characters that you could probably cosplay. The real could be Ivy, Green Ivy. Justin! Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.